Anyways, guys, listen. The real reason why we are here today. This is something, first of all, this is something anybody can do. Okay? Anybody, it doesn't matter how much knowledge you have about prior knowledge you have about trading, about charts, right? Oh, we have 26 people. God damn it, bro. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. So, no matter how much prior knowledge you have about trading, about analyzing charts, about looking at the markets, it does not matter because this is so simple. And my goal is to make it even simpler, okay? Is to break it down further and explain it in the simplest way possible, right? This is my goal. I want to keep it simple. I want to keep it quick, okay? So, my goal is to be in and out of the market as soon as possible. Because let's be honest, I don't have the time to sit in front of the charts, and I don't have the luxury to afford that. I cannot sit in front of the computer, in front of my phone, and keep looking at the markets the whole day. I don't have that time. And I'm assuming neither do you guys. Okay? The goal is to be in and out of the market as soon as possible. One thing that I've learned is that the markets are one of the most unpredictable things on the planet. Okay, so I'm not telling you guys what to do with your money. Okay, I'm in no way responsible for your actions. Whatever you want to do is up to you. So I want to get into the market and I want to be out of the market as soon as possible. That's my number one goal. Number two, I want to be in and out of the market with a decent amount of profit. And for that, I need pips. I need some instrument, for example, gold. Gold is one of the most volatile markets in the world. It moves a lot. Within a couple of seconds, within a couple of minutes, it moves a lot. So this is perfect for my trading style. And so being in and out of the market as soon as possible is called scalping. Okay? It's called scalping. Scalping means fast, quick trading. Okay? Fast trades. So what I want to do is I want to scalp. Number one. Number two, I want something that is very volatile, that moves a lot. What am I doing, bro? Sorry. Okay, so this is number two. I want to scalp, number one. Number two, I want something that is very volatile. And for that, I have gold. Okay. Number three, I want a strategy that works every day. Okay, so trading happens 5 times a day, 5 times a week, right? We have 5 working days. That's when the markets are open. Okay, that's when at least when gold is open. So, first of all, I need a system that is good for scalping in and out of the market as soon as possible. Second, volatile, moves a lot within a couple of minutes, within a couple of seconds, because whatever moves a lot is gonna give me the profit I need. Okay. Number 3, I want something that works every day. So what I found is on the 1 minute time frame, I found this system, this strategy that works every single day, and it gives multiple setups throughout the day. It works in Asian session, it works in London session, it works in New York session. What I do is I always wait for the market to go up because I naturally am a good seller. Okay, it comes naturally. When I look at the market, I can easily spot a sell setup, a sell trade, okay, easily. Whereas when I look at the market and I try to figure out where the market is going to go up from, so I look for a buy setup, it's not that easy for me. It's always confusing. Okay, so I only look for sell setups. This is what I do every single day. And I'll make a YouTube video where I show my trades that I've taken over a certain period of time. So what I want for the market to do is I wait, and usually the market does this in London and New York, but sometimes it does this in Asian sessions as well. But what I mostly do is I trade only New York session. 99.9999% of the time I trade New York session only because it is the most convenient for me. It is 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m. Okay, so I can trade that easily because I'm free at that time of the day. Okay, so what I will do here is I will wait, and this happens every day. I will wait for the market to start going up. Very easy, right? The market, and this is Again, this is only on the 1 minute time frame. I do not go to the 4 hour time frame. I do not go to the 1 hour time frame, not the 30 minute, not the 15 minute, not the 5 minute. I trade only the 1 minute time frame. I wait for the market to start going up. It does this every single day. And you can see over here that the market does that. Exactly that yesterday before London session. This happened before London session. So timing is guaranteed 99.9% of the time that it's either only going to happen in New York, it's either going to happen in New York or in London or in Asian, but sometimes it can happen before these major sessions as well. Yesterday was a perfect example for that. And so I am going to wait for the market to go up, but there will come a time when the market starts getting tired, okay? When the market starts getting exhausted, it is no longer going to create higher highs and higher lows. Instead, it is going to start going sideways. It is going to start going sideways. So there will come a time in a day, certain time, when the market starts going up and then starts going sideways. It gets tired. It gets exhausted. It cannot go up any further, right? Nardo, yes, exactly. All right, so I was correct at this one time. Thank you for the follow, man. Welcome to the channel. Thank you guys again for all the follows, bro. Appreciate it. Okay, you guys have no idea how much this means to me. Okay, so the market starts going sideways. Remember, we're not going to do anything at this point. We're not touching the screen. We're not touching the computer. We're not touching our phones. Nothing. Okay, we're not going to do anything. Oops, it has reversed. Okay. Anyways, so when the market starts doing this, we are going to be only monitoring the charts. Okay, we're not going to trade over here. When are we going to trade? You see this area right here. By the way, this is going to be confusing. Let me show it to you guys like this. So this is what the market does yesterday. It goes up, goes up, goes up, goes up. There comes a time when the market starts going sideways. Now, when do we look for a sell? When do I look for a sell? Okay, because like I said, I sell only. I don't buy. So over here, where is the one point where you see the market where you see the market being very persistent? It's being stubborn. It doesn't want to go. Every time it comes to that point, it reverses from there. Where is that one point? Right? Or where is that area on the chart? It's right here. It's right here. Do you guys see how many times when the market comes here, it's reversed from here? Okay. Do you guys see? Do you guys see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the point is, it doesn't matter how many times the market's reversed from here. What we call this is a neckline. It's the neck region. Okay, so what I'm looking for is a shape like this. Where's the right? So what I'm looking for is a shape like this. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? The market will come down here to the neck region. It will create the right shoulder, right? And then the market will reverse. This shape in the trading world is called head and shoulders pattern. Why? Because this right here in the middle is the head, and this is a shoulder, this is a shoulder. Okay, so this shape is basically what I'm trading every single day. Okay, it's not always going to be a picture perfect head and shoulders like this, like you see on your screen, but it is going to be something like this, looking like this, right? The idea is for you to understand. And this area right here, where the two shoulders meet, is called the neckline. It's called the neck region, okay? That's where the head and the neck, the shoulders meet, okay? So this area is called the, no, what is that? It's called the neck region. And once the market breaks below this area, right here, the right shoulder, when it breaks below, for example, the market breaks below, this is where I'm going to be looking for a sell. Okay, so over here, where do you guys see the neck region over here? Let me delete this. Okay, this whole thing, this is the left leg, right? We create a shoulder, we create a head, and then it's not always going to be picture perfect, but this is a shoulder right here, right? Where do you guys see the neck? The neck is right here. This is the neck area, the neck region. When the market breaks below this, and in other words, it's called a support. So I want the market to break through the support with a strong red candle, strong bearish candle. That candle is right here, this one. Either this or this small one. These are two strong bearish candles because they have big bodies. Okay, and the wick, this small wick at the top, these are candles, right? So this wick at the top is a very small wick, but the bodies are huge. So this means that the bearish that the market has broken through, first of all, and it is a strong indication. This is a strong sign that the market wants to go down. What I do is I enter very aggressively. When I see the market breaking through, I will enter over here. My stop loss is going to be about 10, 20 pips, usually, okay? And my take profit is also going to be 10, 20 pips. So about 1-to-1 risk to reward. This is almost about 30. So what I usually do is my daily goal is about 15 to 30 pips. Let's say 15 to 30 pips. That is very realistic for me. That is what, by the way, we are almost there. This is the trade I was talking about, right? So you guys can see this is exactly happening in real time, okay? So this is going to be my take profit. But I didn't trade this. Mr. Beast, thank you for the follow, bro. Welcome to the channel. Are you the real Mr. Beast? If you are, please donate about $100,000. It's not a lot for you. Please donate $100,000 to me right now so I can go on a vacation. Anyways, do you guys see this pattern that I'm explaining? And do you guys see this shape right here? Do you guys see the resemblance? It is a head and shoulders, but it's not going to be picture perfect. That's what I'm saying, right? The market is going up, going up, going up, going up. It starts getting tired. It starts going sideways. And then it breaks below this neckline, this support, right? And so this is happening in real time. I didn't take this trade because I already took a trade over here, right? So if I took I would have been about 26 pips in profit. Doesn't matter. It's not about what could have been, should have. We don't care about that, bro. We are trading something very realistic. Okay, so to recap, when the market breaks below this, I enter very aggressively. Some people will enter at the retest. What retest means is that when the market breaks below a support, it is going to come back and retest that support. And now that support is going to be acting as what? Now this broken support is going to be acting as a resistance. This broken support is now going to become a resistance. So people enter at the retest, okay? That is one way. Me, I don't give a shit, bro. I'm a gangster. I enter right away. When the market breaks through that, sometimes, I'll explain why. Why I don't wait for the retest. Sometimes the market does not come back for a retest. It does come back 95% of the times. But when I say 95%, it's not a proven fact or a number. Okay? It just means that it does come back mostly. But sometimes the market, the bearish momentum, the falling momentum is so strong. It just crashes through the neckline and it just boom, it's a massacre. That happens rarely, okay? But since I don't have the time, I cannot be bothered. I enter aggressively. I do not wait for a retest. What that does is my trading style, it gives me a lesser amount of pips as profit Pips is points, by the way. So let's say I was gonna make over here, if I waited for the retest, I could have made 34 points. Do you guys see this number here? It says 340, but in the case of gold, it is 34. Okay, so 1 decimal to the left. I can change this in the settings. I'll do it later. So where I could have made 34, my entry is gonna be over here. And bro, who's calling me? My entry is gonna be, I'll answer later. So my entry, since my entry is a bit lower, my number of pips from 34 is gonna be 23. So 10 points less. Okay, so I make a lesser amount of profit. That's it. But I do make a profit. Okay, so if you want to wait for a retest, it's going to give you more profit. Okay, and your stop loss is going to be smaller. Because when I look at the market, I have enough experience that I can tell the market wants to go down. Sometimes I even enter before the breakout. You know why? Because I know the market is gonna go lower. You know how I know? By looking at price action. Instead of going higher, what the market will do is it will come close to the support and it will start creating sideways market structure like this, and then boom. Sometimes I even enter before the breakout because I know the market wants to go lower. And look at this. You see one blue candle, okay, 2, and then right after that you see this huge engulfing bearish candles, this huge engulfing price action that breaks below this strong support. First we have this, then we have this bearish candle. So we know that the market wants to go lower, man. Just looking at the price action, you know, it's very easy to tell when the market wants to go lower or when the market wants to go higher. Again, I can tell the market is going to go lower. Just looking at this price action, I know it's going to break through. You know what? We're going to sit here and watch it break through. By the way, what team are you guys supporting? We got any football fans in here? We got any soccer fans? Who are you going to be rooting for? Do you guys see the breakout that is happening right now? This is a strong indication that the market wants to go down. Should we take a trade? Should we take a trade right now? Oh, it's so tempting. Should we take a trade? Or should we wait for a retest? See, this is what I'm saying. Sometimes the bearish momentum is so strong, the market just, boom, just crashes through the floor and it just keeps going. A kind request, please do videos related to this method once in a week with the example setups. That will help a lot. Bro, like I said, I don't have the time, man. I could make so many videos. I could make a video every single day. I could make a video every single day because I trade every single day. And so just on that trade, I can take that trade and make a video about it, but I don't have the time. And so that's it, guys. I mean, if you guys don't have any questions, I don't have anything left to explain. We are watching everything happen live, right? The way I explained, exactly happening that way. And yeah, all the people who created their accounts today to follow my channel, thank you guys so much, bro. You guys are legends. I love you guys. Stay safe. Take care, guys. I'll see you guys tonight later. Peace, my friends. Peace.